How to delete YouTube channel without deleting Google account. So if you want to delete YouTube channel without deleting the Google account, then you just need to open up the browser in which you would like to delete the YouTube channel. So go for the YouTube, and under YouTube you need to go for the upper right, which has that profile, and go for settings. Under settings, here you will have your channel, right? So make sure that you are under the account section. And under account, if you scroll down here, you will have view advanced settings. Go for that and scroll down again, and here you will have delete channel. So click on delete channel. Once you click on delete channel, it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you need to go for next. Click on next, and once you click on next, you will be given two options. First is I want to hide my channel, and then second one is I want to permanently delete my content. So if you want to delete your account, just simply go for the second option and then you need to delete. So that's how you can delete your YouTube channel without deleting your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.